BG here. It's winter time. We had a big dump of snow, but you never really know it here. We're down at the Lagooney Goo, as we affectionately call it, checking out some of the stuff that the storms washed up. We'll take a little spin around. This is the point. And when the tide's on its way out like it is, it's going that direction. And this is our Lagooney Goo, goes all the way out and around the corner.
Yay, Goonie. Oh, there's a dog over there. Burritos, yummy. Gone. Yummy. Yes.
What do you like about the lagoon?
Burritos.
And then after
That's
the
for sure.
burritos, what do you like?
Mainly the lagoon part. The water's very nice and beautiful and peaceful. Tranquil. It's just another word for peaceful. But that works, you know.
This one got eaten by somebody because it's got the piece broken off. But it might be good for crafting. It's a top pocket find. So, just a little tip.
Yeah.
When you go to the ocean and you're jacking around and enjoying yourself,
yeah.
These suckers here are barnacles. And if you get up close, I don't know if Jason can show you a close-up, they open up in like a crisscross pattern. And when they're under the water, they open up and put out a little thing to scoop out the algae. Here's like the outside edge of one that's been ripped off of there. They're sharp. Crazy sharp. Super duper sharp. So, be careful about barnacles.
Mm-hmm.
They're not super tough, but they're a heck of a lot stronger than your skin.
Yeah, it's another good thing about the ocean or being near water is shit's sort of stressing you out. You can just go for a plunge, you know, and it sort of forces everything out of you. Just, it's so cold. Okay, you know, it's sort of like a really intense forced meditation, you know, really quick. So I don't know if that's good or bad, but it seems to help, you know, seems to work pretty good. What's that? Hit your inhaler before and have a buddy ready to go. Yay! Stomping around the ocean floor. What are you good for?
Stomping around on the ocean floor.
So explain to the folks what sea glass is.
So, sea glass is a naturally occurring phenomenon out here because people accidentally break glass into the water sometimes, and it gets all around in the sand and stuff, and it smooths out the edges till they're smooth. Some of them isn't super smooth or aren't super smooth, but this one's pretty decent.
It's a big chunk.
I mean, I would throw it back and let it get some more, but you know, it's never good to have glass in the wild because people step on it,
Still
especially
sort of semi-sharp there.
Yeah, I mean, if you really, you know, if you're doing some maneuvers in the sand, it might hurt.
We meant to speak in sound effects, so just so everybody knows. Can you explain to the folks at home what means?
Like if you stepped on it. Eagle coming.
Yeah.
That's why everybody's leaving, is that eagle wanted some lunch. Or maybe it was my sound effects.
Come around.
I think it's waving at us. There's the center of a moon snail shell. It's been ripped open by an eagle and gobbled down.
By an eagle?
The caviar of the sea. Sometimes moon snails get like, the shell will be like that big, and then the body of it will be huge. I think we have a photo we might be able to put in of us.
It's not on the old hard drive
that has a big, juicy one.
You did like juicy like booze. And that's alright, so clam number 1 going against clam number 2. We got clam digger versus what's that clam? Coming around the corner, coming around the inside bed here.
Coming.
Oh, and I got we got clam idea coming around the corner here. I might be saying that wrong. Clam idea, is that how you say that? But, oh, clam idea is taking over. The other one sank, I think. Yeah,
that one sunk too.
One got a little into the waves and got sank there, but nothing's taking down clam idea, that's for sure. Ladies and gentlemen, it's been going strong for way too long. Here we go, folks.
Little morsel.
All right, live oyster.
Live oyster.
Yay.
See how it's nice and tightly closed? That means it's alive.
Turn it again. Nice.
And so if you cook it, you want to make sure you have the rounder part on the bottom so it holds the juices in. Ooh. If you're baking it.
It tends to be good to hold your juices in, I find.
Turns out.
Until you know, into the proper receptacle.
And then
you expel your juices wherever you need to do that.
And then I'll put this back below the tide line to keep it alive.
All right. You're just going to throw it with all your might. Mighty. I get that people can't have this. I get it. You know, we didn't up until we raised ourselves up a little bit and raised our vibrations and got out and made it happen, basically. We saw that we wanted a dream and we made it happen. So, and we're still plugging away at that, as we always are. Keep plugging away at everything you do. Find out what your dream is and do it. Make it work. Make it happen.
Just because your day's not perfect doesn't mean you can't appreciate something about it.
Yeah. I like to use perfect moments. You know, you might not have a perfect day necessarily, but you can have 30 seconds, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or it's just a little nice, perfect moment. It works, eh?
Like the loon
Cue
sound
the loon in the background.
Like...
Hey, make sure you hit that subscribe button, you guys, if you want to see more of this kind of stuff. We'll be doing lots of nature walks around. The Lagooney is awesome, and it changes all the time, and there's always new stuff to see. So make sure you hit that like button and share it around to all your friends and everybody. And we'll see you later. Sliced bread, JT, out. Look who's driving a boat on the ocean all by themselves. Oh, nobody on the boat. Oh my God! Just kidding.